Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another series of Moldex 3D webinar session. Today, joining us is a very close partner of ours and president of EPS Flowtech, Rick Carabas. He will be talking about how you qualify your concerns, right? What are your concerns, and how do you really qualify them before you even run a simulation analysis to analyze a part or a tool's cost requirements? Without further ado, I'm introducing Rick. But before I pass it on to Rick, I'd like to remind everybody of a couple of quick house rules. Please keep your microphones muted for the duration of the webinar so that everybody can listen in without any issues. And if you have any questions, feel free to use the chat box to type your questions in. And at the end of the presentation, the speaker will be able to answer them. With that said, Rick, it's all yours.
Hello, everybody. My name is Rick Carabas. We're going to talk a little bit about really why you're running simulations. We want to make sure that when you're running simulations and you decide to, that you're doing it most efficiently, that you're going down the right road and you're not wasting a lot of time just setting up simulations and not getting what you want. So qualifying your real goals or concerns before you run analysis will minimize waste of time and focus on part, tool, and cost requirements. Just a little background on me. I've been doing this for 33 years. I've actually been selling, using, supporting Moldex 3D now for 22 years. Our company was founded back in 1999, and we really have been specifically and only focused on running simulations and optimizing tools, optimizing parts, helping my company, my customers minimize their costs and increase their profits, and obviously selling Moldex 3D software and supporting them. So, move on here. So, why are you running analysis? That's the first question that you will be asking yourself. Is it really necessary sometimes? A lot of times it's a very simple part, and you're only required to do the fill, get a part, single gate location. There's really not a whole lot you can do.